If you are working in design or AI powered workflows, you have probably heard of ComfyUI and Weavy. Both tools help you create faster, but they are built for very different users and workflows. In this video, we'll compare them based on features, usability, customization, and best use cases, so you can decide which one fits your needs. What is ComfyUI? ComfyUI is an open source node based interface mainly used for AI image generation workflows, especially stable diffusion. And instead of simple buttons, you build workflows using connected nodes. Each node controls something like prompts, models, samples, or image outputs. Key idea: it gives you full control over AI generation pipelines. Main features: node based workflow system, highly customizable AI image generation, supports stable diffusion and advanced models, local or GPU based processing, huge community made workflows, but it has a learning curve. It is not a beginner friendly software or application. And setup can be technical. What is Weavy? Weavy is a more modern design focused AI tool built for creative workflows inside design environment. It is often used for integrating AI into UI UX design, prototyping, and creative content generation. Unlike ComfyUI, Weavy is built for simplicity and speed. Key idea: it focuses on streamlining creative work, not building complex AI pipelines. Main features: clean visual design interface, AI assisted creative workflows, easier integration with design tools, faster onboarding for beginners, focus on productivity and collaboration, but it is less customizable compared to ComfyUI. Ease of use: this is where the difference becomes very clear. ComfyUI requires setup and configuration. Node-based system can feel complex, best for advanced users or AI hobbyists. Weavy, very beginner friendly, minimal setup required, designed for designers and teams. Simple takeaway: if you want control, ComfyUI. If you want simplicity, Weavy. Customization and flexibility: ComfyUI wins here. You can build completely custom AI workflows, modify every step of the generation process, add new models, nodes, and logic. Great for experimentation and power users. Weavy, limited customization compared to ComfyUI, focused on predefined workflows, optimized for speed, not deep control. So if you are someone who likes tweaking everything, ComfyUI is far ahead. Performance and workflow speed: Weavy, faster workflow for everyday design tasks, less setup, fewer steps. Ideal for quick creative output. ComfyUI can be fast once set up properly, but initial workflow building takes time. Performance depends on your hardware. So again, it's a trade-off. Speed of use, Weavy, versus depth of control, ComfyUI. Best use cases: choose ComfyUI if you want advanced AI image generation control, work with stable diffusion, or custom models, like experimenting with AI pipelines. Do not mind technical setup. Choose Weavy if you are a designer or content creator, if you want fast AI assisted workflows, if you prefer simple visual tools, and if you work in teams or creative environments. Conclusion and final verdict: there is no better tool overall, it depends on your goal. ComfyUI is a powerful engine for advanced AI creators who want full control and customization. Weavy is a clean, modern productivity tool for designers who want speed and simplicity. If you are serious about AI workflows, ComfyUI is unbeatable in flexibility. But if your focus is design, efficiency, and ease of use, Weavy is the better choice. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.